In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up or lightbox in Wix. A lightbox, also called a pop-up, is a focus message that appears over your page to grab attention. It's perfect for welcoming visitors, collecting subscriptions, promoting offers, or opening a quick contact form. I'll walk you through selecting a pop-up, customizing its text, and setting when and where it appears, all inside the Wix editor. Start in the editor and look for the Add button, the plus icon on the left side. This is where you insert new content on your site. Click it to open the element library, then choose the interactive section. Interactive elements include overlays and pop-ups designed to engage visitors, so this is exactly where we need to be. From there, open the pop-ups category to see Wix's ready-made lightbox options. You'll see 4 main styles. Welcome is ideal for greeting visitors the moment they land. Subscribe focuses on building your email list. Promotion is built to highlight a sale or limited time deal. Contact gives visitors a quick way to reach you without leaving the page. Pick the one that matches your goal. For this walkthrough, we'll go with Welcome. After choosing the Welcome category, select the specific design you want. Wix provides different layouts and looks, so pick a type that fits your brand's vibe. Clean, bold, minimal, or image forward. Once it's added to the canvas, you can click directly into the text areas to rewrite the headline and description. Keep your message short and clear, like a single promise or friendly greeting, and make your call to action specific so visitors know what to do next. With the content in place, open the settings to control how the pop-up behaves. Click Set Triggers to define when it appears. Start by giving your pop-up a clear name. Use something descriptive so you can recognize it later, especially if you add more pop-ups in the future. Next, decide whether to automatically display the pop-up on pages. Choose Yes if you want it to open for visitors without any extra action. Choose No if you prefer to control when it appears manually or only show it in specific scenarios later. That's it. You've added a lightbox, selected the right style for your goal, customized the text, and set the basic behavior. Keep your copy concise, make the button label action-oriented, and ensure the message matches your brand. This simple setup helps you welcome visitors, capture attention, and guide them toward the next step on your site.